Hey guys,
Hello.
where are we today?
IKEA.
IKEA, what is that?
It's a furniture store.
And why are we here?
For my new bedroom, because we're renovating our room.
What? Jackie, what are we doing?
We are remaking the room.
Oh, so we came here to do what? To
Get that
stuff?
frame for Mama.
Are we gonna get one item each of decorating for our rooms? Of decorations? Alright. Yeah, that's a surprise. Let's go.
That's not a surprise. You said it's a surprise.
There is gonna be. Alright, let's go.
Here's the next step.
On the phone already?
Did you change my color again?
What are you guys doing?
He changed my color. I found $2 for a tag. It turned out to look like a monster.
Alright. Call me when you're ready with your artwork. It actually looks like a gorilla.
Yeah, mine looks like a something.
Yeah, it definitely looks like something. Hey, Ola. I think Mama's panda has been hanging out with Taco too much.
Yeah. I'm gonna go grab the one.
No, thank you. Like I love myself.
Did you hear what I said? I think your panda has been hanging out with Taco too much.
Guys, I'm gonna go upstairs real quick. Gorilla tag.
Gorilla tag. Alright, Jakey, I think you found your one item.
Oh, she said gorilla tag. Look.
Wu-Tang Killer Bees.
Actually, do we even have to go around?
Jakey, what's the name of your gorilla?
IKEA.
Akila gorilla? What is that? Hedgehog?
Sonic the Hedgehog.
Sonic. Aww, Hugsies. What is that? Oh, it's preppy. Whatever it is, it's preppy. I like that lamp.
Jay. Could this be my one decoration?
You already picked something up.
Jake or Jake. Jakey?
Decoration?
No, Jakey, I don't want you to. It's glass. I don't want you to break.
It's a J.
I guess.
It's a J. Can we buy it?
Cool.
We'll think about it.
So simple.
Yay.
What is it?
It's a holder for mobile phone / tablet.
I might have.
Brilliant.
Ola, I might have found.
No.
I might have found.
That's really cool.
Cupcakes.
Oh, that's cool.
Guys, I kind of fell off my chair. Wait, IKEA has LEDs. These are my controllers. One, two. But stop imagining this. Yes, it is.
It's really cool over
I
here.
put
Even
price
sounds like
tag
New
so
York.
I know who wants to buy them. I'm making my videos.
Hold on, why is there another thing up here?
I play my games.
Like a bachelor pad.
You're TikTok now? I didn't know you had TikTok.
Where do you see TikTok? TikTok.
I like all of this.
Hold on. Olka, find Jakey. Is he taking a shower? Jacob, get out of the shower. Jakey, what are you doing? Gorilla tag. That's a big jump.
Tag.
Oh, you tagged me.
He's in girl tag. Let's give him some surgery.
Is that because gorilla tag? Gorillas have no legs?
Pretend we're in girl tag, guys.
This is a fart
He was
remover.
born different. We
No,
need.
this is a fart remover.
We need to cut this out. He needs surgery. I'm in girl tag. He needs surgery. He was born different.
Alright, it's a little much. Thank you.
Oh, he's a new gorilla.
Step into where to next start office. Oh. Do you have a Zoom meeting or something?
Yeah.
Conference call?
No, actually, I'm not making a Zoom meeting. I'm playing PC VR Gorilla Tag.
Oh, I see.
I'm actually working on my IKEA store.
Great.
I'm looking for new and trending home decor and accessories.
Very good.
Oh, and some offers.
Cool.
Look what I just got. Look.
Can you make sure you CC me in that email? Thank you.
For what?
You're missing a mouse, huh? Use a gorilla instead.
Oh. I just gotta get my money to my credit card to see what number it is on, so I can just buy beds and mattresses. You know, I'm gonna buy them. I'm gonna buy a mod so it can do all the work for me.
Smart. That's working smart, not
I'm
hard.
gonna become the best. You know, I need to go higher.
You know, you can stand with this desk.
I got a good
Promotes, like,
Wait,
yeah, standing
I'm
upright.
I'm running. I'm trying to make. I'm trying to make. Guys, I'm running. I'm trying to make. Work is just gonna go higher. I'm gonna hire somebody.
Are you hiring right now?
Yeah, I'm hiring.
Kuba's hiring. Where's the next step?
taking
Hiring.
resumes? What are you hiring for?
For desk.
For my
Must are legs optional?
No legs allowed. Hard pass. Jake, you can't even see above this desk.
I think we should go.
Yeah, let's go.
Oh,
Hey, Ola, are you streaming?
what are you doing in my house?
Chilling.
How did you find me?
What are you playing?
Empire State Building.
Got it. Cool. Bye bye.
Again? We're going.
Hey, Ola. For 10 points, where is this building? What is this building?
Empire. No, Brooklyn College.
Brooklyn College, that's right.
My Empire State game.
That's right. Shout out to our friend Margaret.
What is in here? I found some mysterious stuff in my
It's a hedgehog.
Jump down. Oh, I remember this. It's from the dog. So I'm gonna show you guys why this is so. Come here. This is a red
Swifty.
hat. From red, it's hold on. It's giving. No. Okay, hold on.
Hey, Ola, I just have a suggestion for you.
It's giving lover. Yeah.
If you keep the bunk bed, you can actually do this under the bunk bed. Because you're not going to have anything under there.
I'm gonna do that.
It's pretty cool.
My bunk bed isn't high.
No, it's like here. Okay.
Fine.
Alright. Let's look at all the tools. What is this place? Jakey, watch out for the whale. Oh, it's gonna eat the girl. Oh, it ate Jakey.
Yeah.
That's it. We have an opening and where to next step. Jakey has been eaten by a whale. Watch out, sharks.
No sharky. I'm gonna punch the sharky.
Hey, check out the octopus.
Octopus. It's Henry.
Henry the octopus. That's very cute.
Octopus. I'm gonna squid you.
Hey guys, where'd the Kuba go? There's some legs over here. Who's in there? There he is. Olaf went to sleep. Night night. Jakey. Oh, is that an alien? Look, Jacob, there's one thing that doesn't belong in this thing.
No to my face.
No. Yep. You don't belong in here, you're not a bear.
Don't say no to my face.
No.
Yeah.
Hey, Ola, what's with all the animals?
We're getting teddy bears to sleep with because ours are getting old.
So we're getting new teddy bears for everyone?
Yeah. My mom had a panda, now she's getting this. My dad has a turtle, now he's getting this. I have a squishmallow, now I'm getting this big chungus.
Oh, Chungosaurus? Chunga what?
Chungus and
Chungus.
there's the what? Hold up.
No way. He rolls up? That's great. Hey, guess what I'm gonna call my pig?
What?
Bacon.
This is gonna be
Sonic?
no. It rolls around.
Roly poly.
Roly poly, yeah.
Love it.
And I don't know what my best name is this one.
We'll see. Let's come up with some names. Maybe ask our friends on YouTube to come up with some cool names for the white
Give
bear.
us some names for this white bear, guys.
Polar bear, right?
Oh, and you sneeze.
False alert.
Yeah, false alert. So
Hey, Ola, I forgot there was another animal that we didn't mention.
3 little pigs.
What's his name, Jakey? I forgot.
Gorilla Kia.
Guess what I called my pig? Bacon.
This is Big Chungus. This is Roly Poly. Chungus. That's gonna be number 3.
That's a lot of stuff to answer.
Guys, this guy's name. I think Gorilla Kia.
No, you're not allowed to play.
Hey, what are you guys doing? You riding in your what? I woke up in a new Bugatti. Good driving skills there. Hey, Drake, you have something on your back. Did you not know that there's a monkey on your back?
Nice girl.
That's a gorilla. I think we lost someone. I can't put a finger on it, but I think we lost somebody. Where is she? Sit down. Ah, here we go. We hit something. Hey, okay. Go. Oh! Got you, buddy. Alright, found him. What is happening here? Oh no! Watch out, there's going to be a collision. Rule breakers. What are you doing? Hey, so how did we do?
Good.
Alright, so what we get?
We got Big Chungus, a bed, a Gorilla Kia.
Yeah.
And I got Roly Poly, which is another hedgehog.
Cool. Did you guys have fun?
Yes.
Alright, so what do we say to our friends?
Thank you for watching. Guys, I want to show you guys something. Come. Where's the next time?
Old car.
My chicken.
Just fuck.
So, this is the thing that the top comment says it's gonna be named, okay?
Oh, right. So we want you guys to help us name the polar bear.
So whatever the top comment says, we're gonna check it in like a week, and whatever the top comment is, we're gonna name him.
All right, so let us know in the comments what's the name of the polar bear. All right.
We're gonna be having a shout out.
All right, we're gonna shout you. All right. What do we say?
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to our channel. Where to next time.